Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your eHarmony account permanently. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you don't want to go ahead and open your eHarmony app, but instead you want to go to Google Chrome on your mobile device and simply go to eHarmony.com. Once you have done that, go ahead and enter your information right over here and then go ahead and log in. And finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right over here where you're going to simply tap on the top left triple lines icon and simply tap on data and settings. Finally, once you have done that, scroll all the way down until you see this to delete your profile permanently. Please click here, tap on that here. And finally, once you have done that, all you want to do is go ahead and enter your password right over here and tap on delete profile, and then your account will be deleted. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.